Folks, Q Master Pool School, Mark Powell here. Talk to you a little bit about the importance of staying down on the shot. What I mean by that, it's important to stay down after you shoot, okay? Cue ball's gone, you want to stay down, right? How many times have you seen somebody do this, right? And they jump up and walk away, and they've kind of told themselves on more or less a subconscious level, man, I'm a terrible player. They keep telling themselves that. They come up and they say, well, I can't make this shot. More about that statement later, but they come down, all right, you know, they do this, they might scratch in the corner like I just did. So, what about that? Well, my contention is that the best thing that you can do when you practice is miss. Oh, it's wonderful, right? Missing a shot's the best thing you can possibly do in practice. Because if you miss and you pay attention to what you're doing, and you stay down, and you see what happened from the shooting position, now that gives you positive feedback about what to do on the next attempt. So you find the shot line, your vision center's lined up, everything's ready to go. You come down on the shot vertically, just like this, you're ready, and stay down, okay? If on the other hand I missed the shot, if I did something a little screwy, let's say I did something like this. I stay down. Now look at where the cue was. Well, the cue started here and wound up there. Look what I did. I twisted my wrist and came around my body. So now, feedback, I've got it. Now I know what to do on the next shot. What this is doing now, it's providing you instantaneous feedback on every shot, and most importantly, it's maintaining a positive mental attitude. That's really key here. How many times have you heard someone say, well, you know, I'm no good, I can't make this shot. Can't is cannot, right? Don't want to see any negative words or use any negativity in your self-criticism. That's just poison, right? You want to say to yourself, I can make this shot. What's wrong with this statement? I'm not going to miss. Well, there's the word not and there's the word miss. You don't want to do that. One of my favorite expressions, you know, humorously is, well, I'm so old now that by the time I get into stroke, I'm too tired to play. Or I can't hit the end rail with the cue ball. All those are negative, right? You want to be positive about it, okay? This is a learning experience. We're all learning all the time, especially instructors. We spend most of our time learning about the game so that we can teach effectively, okay? So, the next time you come to a shot, just remember, stay down, study what happened at the end of the delivery, okay? Stand up when everything stops moving. All right? Anyway, that's my tip for the day. This is Q Master Pool School. Mark Powell saying out for now. Talk to you later.